Hello, so the time came that we eventually can start installing our windows. First we'll install a window over here in this door. Hopefully, I'm dreading it. But seen loads of videos and decided to do video on this as well, because more video I see, more different ways I can see how it's done, and I just picked how I wanna do it, like mix of everything what I think. So we'll have 4 windows in this van, one here, one on the opposite side, and 2 at the back. This is not openable window. This will be the only one that will be open. But that's probably another day. I don't think we'll have time today. So we'll start with this one. So first from the inside I will try to cut this bar off. I've done the line over here and over here. You can just see it, yeah. So I'll cut out the grinder. The rest I'll be trying to cut with the jigsaw. I've thought about using the nibbler, but it's a bit messy and I don't want to have too much cleaning to do afterwards. So I hope with jigsaw will be fine. So let's start now. Pretty strong glue, as you can see. Okay, so that is now done. Let's begin with drilling the holes. We have to drill 4 holes. That's what I'm planning on doing. One here, sorry, 5. One here and one in here. 5 holes. And then I'll go outside and start doing it from the outside. Back. Same side bottom. Yeah. Okay, so now we can see our points. So we have to just join the dots for now, cut through it, put the tape on as well to protect the body van, work of the van a bit, and hope for the best. Put the tape on. Okay, now I'll just roughly mark because I'll have to do 2 cuts anyway. Okay, so I did type the base of my jigsaw before. Hopefully will be not too bad. I've got of course metal braid in, and I'm going to start. Now we'll see. Me? Let me see one hand. Perfect. Now, as you can see, I got a massive hole in the door, but is still not ready yet because, as you can see, I've got this lip what I need to cut, all of that. I just couldn't be more bothered to measure that properly, and I prefer to cut twice than cut once wrong. So first I'll have to cut this little lip over here with the grinder. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's sticking like this side here, so I don't really want to cut with the jigsaw from the outside because I got strange feeling that I will just damage the blade. You can see there is glue over here, so I got strange feeling that I will have to put some more later, because I think that if I cut that with the grinder, this glue will disappear as well. So I'll cut it off probably as well. So let's do it quickly. Yeah, but okay, that's done. So I decided to do another little holes on the inside over here, so I know exactly up to where I'm going. All over here, here, yeah. And then I will mark up again and do this way. One down. The last bit of the new blade on, so hopefully we can finish this cone. Okay, perfect, done. As you can see, there is a lot of little metal debris up here, so we will cover that up. We're going to sand the edge. We will see how this will work. Okay, so now it's time for a primer. We already cleaned with the wipes, alcohol wipes, but they were provided in the kit with the windows. But the kit cleaned all of that. So now I'll just put the primer. I don't know how exactly because I've never done it before. There's this little thingy over here, but everybody does it with it in the videos. So I will do it as well. Now quickly to the edge as well where I cut with this primer because it's easier as I seen than messing around with hammer, right? It's nice primer, very liquidy, goes quite quick. And I got about 4 bottles. Good enough. Okay, now we managed to bring the window in. We already put the suction cups from the handles from the other side. So it's now laying down over here. Now I will clean it with the wipe. So it's nice and clean before we put the primer on. The van, the primer is already on it, so it's drying now. So we are about 2 centimeters away from the edge on the van. So we will try to do exactly the same on the window, if I can. Oh, except that here you can't really see what you're putting on. Okay, it's gonna be simple stuff. So, yeah. That, hopefully. Now the primer all dry everywhere. We put some tape quickly, so when we put the window we can stick it on. And now we're putting this rubber seal. Hopefully will go on nicely. I'm starting from the bottom, so the connection is on the bottom because just in case I forgot, you don't want to really have connection on the top. I think that's how it's supposed to be. I don't know. That's how I'm doing it. Fine. More. Okay, so we've got now master bond, thingy glue, proper gun, because as far I've seen on a lot of videos, that's what people struggle with. They've got the cheap guns that they're thinking how this is called. It's very hard to squeeze. We warm that up as well in the hot water. So we will see how this will go. Okay, now the moment of the truth. Ah, yeah. We'll see the sound. Yep. Right. Right, can you tell me something? Okay. Oh, how it is looking here?
That looks good.
Okay. What? Yeah. So, let me see, let me see. Ah, it's a bit too close here. No, no, no. No. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's better. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Don't know if that's enough. We'll soon find out. Is that actually?
So,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay,